Hello internet world, welcome to my overview of the BOTSLAB dashcam. This is the G300H Plus. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So this is what the product box looks like. It's a nice compact box for the amount of accessories you get inside. It's got the main features listed just here, including a 4K front-facing camera, 1080p rear camera, built-in GPS, Google Maps driving recording, and also voice control as well. So the sensor in here is really good. It's a Starvis 2 sensor, and it produces really good quality footage. What you're seeing here is the box contents. I always call this a spudger tool. It's sort of like a little sort of crowbar type plastic implement, and it's used for if you need to get the sticky pads off of your windscreen or dashboard, for example, to reposition the camera. It's a nice useful little tool. It's also useful for feeding the wire through behind sort of headlining. Do it carefully, but a really useful tool that they include inside the box. We also get some extra sticky pads. So you get one for the front camera and also one for the rear camera as well. So a couple of extra pads there. There's already pads installed on the cameras here. We also get an ESD sticker for your windshield. You get a couple of those. We also get a little polishing cloth. We get a quick start guide. We get some important information and also another quick start guide. This is really useful, just guides you through positioning the camera, getting the app and getting everything up and running. Then we get a sort of 12 volt vehicle accessory adapter. So this goes into your 12 volt socket, and then we've got a USB output here, and that in turn plugs into this cable. So this obviously goes in here, and then this end you route round into the dash camera. So this goes into the main dash camera, the front one. We also get a memory card to get you up and running. So it's a 64GB micro SD card. And then we get the rear camera. So this is 1080p. When it comes brand new, you do get little covers on the cameras. I've just put this back on to protect the lens. Little sticky pad for sticking it in your rear window. And then this cable goes all the way through your car. So you can make this a really neat installation. There's plenty of cable here. And then it will plug into the main dash camera. And then we've got the main dash cam itself. Before I talk you around the various features of this, why would you want a dash camera? Well, if you're driving and you're either involved in or witness to some sort of road traffic accident or other incident, then at least you've got some video footage that could be used as evidence. And also some insurance companies do offer a discount on the premium that you pay if you've got a dash cam installed. It also gives you some peace of mind. Now this is a really different design to regular dash cam. This is going to stick on your windscreen. This here has got some connections. So we've got the type C, which is going to be used for actually putting power into the dash camera. We've got the micro SD card socket, and then we've also got the second channel just here, and that's what's going to plug into the rear camera. Sticky pad on your windscreen, and then if we take a look around on the side here, we've got some control buttons. We've also got the main lens, again supplied with a little cover on it for protection during transit. This actually moves, so you can get a really good angle on your camera. We've also got a microphone input on the bottom here, and then you're going to be presented with this view because this is obviously going to be facing out the front windscreen, and this is your little screen. So you're going to use the buttons on the side for control, main power button to power on, and then this is going to give you all of your sort of menu system. It records in a loop type scenario, so it will record footage to the micro SD card. When that micro SD card is full up, then it will start recording over old unprotected files. So if you haven't protected the video files, it will record over the top of them, and it'll keep doing in that sort of loop type scenario. And then if something does happen, then you've got some video footage you can use, and it's really good quality footage, 4K crisp resolution, nice color rendition, really good in low light as well. It's just a superb dash cam, and having the added benefit of the rear video is excellent. Very, very good indeed. This is a great product. It's really well designed. It's a very unique design. It's nice and lightweight. Sticky pad's nice and functional for sticking it in your windscreen. Nice and easy to control. The app's really well laid out as well. I think BOTSLAB have done a fantastic job with this. If you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. Please do hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.